Okay, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a train heading westbound. Looks like a freight here at the Des Sources ramps. Alright. Came just at the right time. A lot of breath. Can't really speak much. So except to say that it's the 6th of January 2023, and it's about 5 o'clock p.m. So I've been waiting here for about 40 minutes maybe. -1 degree and no wind to speak of. And I was about to leave. Oh, look at that. Cool graffiti. I was about to leave to get my bus. I got about 18 minutes to get my bus. So this train came at a great time. Next Citirail locomotive there. Second unit on the front. I don't think I've ever gotten a train at this time with this little light. But in winter, you tend to get some of the light reflecting back off the snow, so it's pretty good. A lot of coil steel cars on this. That's the end of the train right there. There it is, going underneath the other side of the bridge, heading west. So I'm off to get my bus. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.